Adam Smith said that it naturally follows that there should be minimum government interference with the economic order. The best government, Adam Smith agreed to is the government that governs least. In graphic illustration, pin making is used by the Smith to demonstrate the advantage of division of labor. A workman not educated in the business nor acquainted with the use of machinery employed in it could scarcely, perhaps with his utmost industry, make 1 pin a day, and certainly could not make 20. But by breaking the manufacturing process down into 18 distinct operations, which in some manufacturers are all performed by distinct hands. I have seen a small factory of this kind where 10 men only were employed, making amongst themselves up to 48,000 pins a day. This is a consequence of the proper division and combination of their difficult operation. The division of labor, Professor Adam Smith continued, had its origin amongst primitive people. In the tribe of hunters or shepherds, a particular person makes bow and arrows, for example, with more readiness and dexterity than any other. He frequently exchanged them for cattle with his companions, and he finds that he can in this manner get more cattle than if he himself went to the field to catch them. With regard to this his own interest, therefore, making bows and arrow grows to be his chief business. Another excel in making the frames and cover for the little hut or movable huts. In the same manner, the third becomes an ironsmith, a fourth a tanner, and a dresser of hides or skin, and thus the certainty of being able to exchange all the surplus part of the product of his own labor, which is over and above his own consumption, becomes better way of success in life. Division of profession encourages every man to apply himself to a particular occupation and to cultivate and bring to the perfection whatever talent or genius he may possess for that particular species of business. In India, in olden time, this division of labors were made into 4 different class of people, which unfortunately is still continued in some part of India. Proceeding next to a consideration of money and commodity price, Smith states a principle generally condemned as erroneous by orthodox economists, but widely adopted as a rallying cry of socialist thinker of latter eras. Labor alone, he says, is the ultimate and real standard by which the value of all commodities can at all times and places be estimated and compared. it is their real price and money their nominal price only. In The Wealth of Nations, Adam Smith is outspoken and indignant in his comment on the disparities in the bargaining power between the employer and the workers. He was opposed to the mercantilist nation that low wage would force laborer to work more and thereby increase England's prosperity. He didn't believe that.